Hello, my name is Cody Rogers, and today I'm going to show you how to set your grid origin using a keyboard shortcut. First, let's get into a reason why you might want to do this. If you notice, I've deleted an arc here, a rounded corner on my edge.cuts layer. Let's just try to put that back in. So click Draw an Arc. Now, even though that button there isn't in the grid, KiCad's smart enough that it will snap to it, which is good. Then it will go and it will snap to the other end of it. And it will snap there. And it will snap again. Now, even though KiCad is smart enough to know that I want to snap there, even though it's not in the grid, you can see it doesn't really make it that clean. It's because it's not in the grid. It's not that good at it. So, but we can press the keyboard shortcut S. There. And now I can just click there. I want to set that as my grid origin. You can see it set all these little dots here. I don't know if you can see them that well. To, like it just moved them over a bit. So now let's draw an arc. Click Draw an Arc again over there. And then go down. And then click there. And then click again here. And then just zoom over there. And you can see it is nice and neat. So that is how you can set your grid origin. That again is the keyboard shortcut S. And a reason you might want to do that is if your grid isn't lining up perfectly with your edge cuts lines, and you wanted to like draw an arc or something, and there's other reasons similar to that. Just if things aren't lining up with your current grid, you may want to just set your origin to someplace where they do line up. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you tune in to some of my future videos.